Morning, it's Saturday, March 14th, 2015 rather. And it's raining and I gotta take the dog out. That's what I hate about the rain. You gotta take him rain or shine. And he doesn't seem to bother him. It doesn't seem to. We do need the rain to get rid of this snow though. Yeah, dog, right in the middle of the road. I swear. Anyway, that's what's good about this jacket. It's got a nice hood that can pull out of it. Well, it's out for the daily market going trip. I gotta go get Cheetos, tobacco, rolling papers, and sugar. Sugar could have waited till tomorrow. Tobacco we shouldn't have to buy at all. And the Cheetos, I guess that makes my mom happy, so I don't mind getting those, but just the fact that I don't know why we always have to go out every day. My tire's like almost flat on the one side. Hopefully it'll make it home. And there we go, last dog outing of the day. The snow has subsided a lot. Still a lot of snow though. That's good, it's gonna be all gone pretty soon, then I can get back on that van project. And still get down to Florida and Virginia if I can fund it somehow. And that will be cool. Be nice to get productive again. This is just crazy. This just isn't me. All this non-production and being in a rut. But resources will put you there. Lack of them. Anyway, you all have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. I think we're getting my mom's car back tomorrow. We were supposed to get it back today, but something with the light came on for the engine light and he took it back. So I don't know what's going on now. So he'll probably come tomorrow and then I'll drive him home, my brother. Anyway, have a good night. See you guys all tomorrow.